there! It's me again, Airwave. Welcome back to my channels. This time, we have a tip for live users. And this one is really quick and short. Let's assume you want, you have a drum loop here, and you want the transients to be shorter. So basically what you can do here is go to the clip editor, go to the clip automation, do a volume thing, etc, etc, etc. You can do this, yeah, of course, if you want to work with precision. Sometimes, just don't want to bother. I'm going to show you here how to do it the quickest way, especially when working with transients. So, first of all, put your algorithm, your warping algorithm to beats. So you have to have warp enabled. No other option, but oh well, everyone does it anyway. So you preserve just the 16ths in this case. It's gonna be all right. And from there, you see that little box here. You've got 3 options. If you do this, it's gonna loop the remaining timing until the next transient. It's not what you want. You can also replay it. So instead of doing forward, backward looping, it does a forward looping. Not what you want, not what you're looking for. What you're looking for is this. What it does is very simple. Once it comes at the end of your transient, before the beginning of the next one, it stops playing. And then you just shorten it. Listen. So that's my loop, and let's shorten it now. Boom, 15 seconds. As simple as that. What you can also do eventually is use the transients. Now, listen to this. Let's say we just want this. And this is where you realize that your warp markers are not correctly placed, and you replace them quickly. There it is. Bam. Crash, boom, bang. As the other say, just make sure that there is no click here. And yep, here it is. What's also cool is in this case, you can also swing quantize the whole thing. So you want another groove, come here and you go for logic, and you want something like, try that. Oh, yeah. Another cool tip,